Yo, good morning, guys. Getty Eddie here. I'm feeling a little sick today, guys. Like a lot. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get PUBG on mobile, on your iOS device, iPad, iPod, iPhone. Yeah. Like first, you're gonna have to go to your app store, and you go to the top right corner of this right here. And right now, I signed out of my account, but make sure you sign out of your original account, cause just make sure, guys. Make sure. And then you're gonna have to go here and create a Chinese account, which I already did. So I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna type it in, guys. Right? Okay, guys. Once you're done creating your account, make sure to sign in with your new account. On the top right corner, add in your new Apple ID account. Make sure you switch to Chinese instead of United States. It's really simple, guys. See, and it's gonna tell you, you have to switch to Chinese store and just say, hey, yes, and there you go, guys. We are now in the Chinese app store. I'm gonna show you guys how to get PUBG. PUBG, guys, that's it. There are two versions of PUBG. There's the first, I don't really know what's the difference. You can download both and see what's the difference, I don't know. So I'm gonna show you guys, see, I'm gonna be showing a tutorial on how to download large apps under just using your cellular data, guys. And there you guys go. See, I can't now because the app is large, but there you guys go. It's right there in the right corner. Well, guys, if this helped you in how to get PUBG, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We're trying to get 300 subs, guys. Let's get it.